Hi, my name is Akhila, and today I want to share with you a little virtual Bharatanatyam experiment titled Alaripu. Alaripu is a basic dance item in Bharatanatyam that consists of highly abstract geometric dance movements. It requires a great deal of coordination, and because of that, it can often have a very meditative impact on the dancer and on the audience member. Given everything that's been happening, I've been curious to explore presenting this item online. As dancers, would we still be able to find that level of coordination with each other? And how would audiences feel when they view this item performed in a different way online? Now, before the lockdown hit, a group of us dancers would practice weekly at the Yamini Krishnamurthy School of Dance. And for those of you who are dancers and who do or have done group classes, you'll be able to understand the sense of community that I'm talking about. When you're dancing together in an open studio, synchronizing your movements with each other, there is this almost unsaid sense of wholeness that is there in the room. Now, when the lockdown hit and we couldn't actually have these physical dance practice sessions, there was a greater need to connect to our community and to keep our community kind of in sync and connected. So we decided to hold dance classes and practice sessions over Zoom. Now, Zoom came with its whole host of technical issues. Sometimes there were Wi-Fi lags. Sometimes somebody's video would get stuck. We couldn't always hear the sound properly. And it often got very frustrating for us. Also, because we were not in an open studio space, our movements were slightly restricted because we were dancing in our own homes. Now, despite all of these technical issues, something I realized when we were practicing is that the Zoom camera actually brings to focus different parts of a dancer's body. So, for example, if a dancer is dancing very close to the camera, then their hand mudra or their facial expressions are more in focus. Whereas if they were dancing slightly further with more depth, maybe their arms or their neck is more in focus. And this made me try to visualize how could we tell Alaripu in a new way. How could we use the opportunities presented to us by Zoom to portray other elements of Bharatanatyam that maybe audiences would miss out on if they were watching this item done live. And how could we as a community of dancers still feel a sense of wholeness and connection and at the same time present our own individuality? With all of these questions around form and the actual content and the performance of this item, I decided to explore it, which you will see right now. This exploration is titled Alaripu, and I would love to hear your feedback and your thoughts on it. So, thank you. Enjoy.
Ta, tei, tei yung ta, tam, kita taka ta, tei, tei yung ta, tam, kita taka tam, de, tam, kita taka tei, ta, tei, kita taka tam, de, tam, kita taka tei, ta, tei, kita taka tam, de, ta, tei, ta, tei, tam, de, ta, tei, ta, tei, tam, de, ta, tei. Tây tam tít ta tây tát 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 tây tam tít tam tít ta cả tây tát tây tít ta cả tam tít tam tít ta cả tây tát tây tadai tam tadate 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 tadai tam de tam kita tagate ta te kita tagatam de tam kita tagate ta te kita tagatam titta te tatte tam 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 titta te tatte tam